Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it when you this option not showing on your Facebook app. So if you want to invite friends but you won't see this option, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just try to close your Facebook app and just open it again. So this is the first way you need to try. Another way you need to try, just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to check your internet connection. So just try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So if it doesn't help you, just go to general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restart your phone. And also you can try to open App Store. Just write in App Store Facebook, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your Facebook app. So this is a way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.